Hi friend, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix this problem when you are going to install Corel Painter or Corel Graphic. For this you need to install CCleaner. Close this window, finish, open CCleaner, and I will put link in description for this CCleaner from where you can download the CCleaner. Even normal edition you can do this if you haven't business edition. Okay, see, I just scan for issues. At least you have scanned 2 times, so you can fix out this problem. It will take some time. It's not about the Corel installation. If you have similar problem, then you can run this software and clean the registry files and don't need to take backup, just clean. Yes, now I'm gonna reinstall Painter, repair, it will take some time, so I'm going to pause my video. Okay, it's done, finish. Now I'm going to open Painter. So guys, thanks for watching my video. As you can see that I can run Corel Painter 2020 very easily, and this is my Corel version in the studio key. Anyways, if you have any problem you can comment below, like this video, subscribe my channel. See you later.